Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to add someone on Telegram with QR code. Telegram makes it really simple to connect with people, and one of the fastest ways is through QR codes. Instead of searching for usernames, you can just scan or share a code and instantly connect with someone. Let's walk through the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. If you do not already have an account, make sure to sign up or log in to continue. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the three bars icon. This will open the main menu. From here, go ahead and select Settings. Once you are inside the Settings page, look at the very top of the screen. You will notice a small QR code icon. Tap on it, and it will bring you to your personal QR code. Here, you will see different options. Telegram allows you to customize your QR code with different colors and styles, which makes it easier and fun to share. If you want to send your code to someone, just tap on Share QR code, and you can share it through any app, like WhatsApp, email, or even directly through Telegram itself. Now, if someone else has sent you their QR code, you can add them too. On the same screen, tap on Scan QR code. This will activate your camera, and all you need to do is point it at their QR code. Once scanned, Telegram will instantly take you to their profile, where you can tap to add them as a contact. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can quickly connect with friends, family, or groups using Telegram QR codes. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.